heat. Heat flows from the body at higher temperature to the body at a lower temperature. This flow of heat is known as transfer of heat from one place to another. There are three processes of heat transfers. Heat transmission. So it means heat transfers from one place to another place, or one end of the body to other end of body. In the to take place there are three processes of heat transmission there. So one is conduction, another is convection, and third one is radiation. So these three processes are helping the transfer of heat from one place to another. The conduction takes place in normally solids. So in solids, heat is transmitted from higher temperature to the lower temperature without the axial movement of the particles. Particles means molecules. This mode of transmission of heat is called conduction. That is example, when one end of the metallic rod is heated, its other end becomes hot. And then one example, iron is a good conductor of heat. On the other hand, wood is a bad conductor of heat. Good conductor means heat transfer takes place very fast, and here heat transfer is very slow. So convection, the mode of transfer of heat from one part of the medium to the another part by axial movement of the heated particles of the medium is called convection. In liquids and gases, transmission of heat takes place by convection process. Here the molecules of the liquids and gases move, which first absorb the heat and move from higher and heating position point to lower heat point, and heat transmits to their particles with a low heat. That is the process of that process is called convection. So application of convection is formation of sea breeze, formation of trade wind, ventilation. Here is all high temperature to lower temperature wind forms, air particles moves, and flow takes place. In ventilation also, because of the air movement only ventilation takes place. So radiation, the mode of transfer of heat from one body to another without any axial movement of the particles involved and without heating the intervening medium is called radiation. So here also, in radiation also, that heat transfers without the body particles movement, like conduction. But here, if there is no medium also, the heat transfer of heat takes place. That is the process here. For radiation, there is no need of any medium because it is of electromagnetic nature. Electromagnets also, without medium, it affects the other iron particles of the nearby the vicinity of the electromagnetic strength. So in deserts, days are very hot and nights are very cool because that sand absorbs heat very rapidly and radiates the heat at night with the equal rate. That is all takes place with the process of radiation.